Welcome everyone. From today I am going to start the class 9 maths and the topic we shall start will be triangles. So class ninth maths and the topic we shall start the triangles. So before going to the things present in your CBSE board, I want to tell to you that earlier people used to use the fire altars of different shapes, and that shapes can be a square, a circle, or something a shape like it. So here if you are selecting this yagnam, this fire altar, so you will find the shape of this fire altar is square. So if you are considering a square whose side is equals to 1 unit, so you will get, sorry, you will get the diagonal of this square as root 2. So you know that root 2 is an irrational number. So these are the things which is present in the Vedas, and from here this triangle you are looking from this square, if you are cutting this square by along its diagonal, so you will get two triangles. So what is a triangle? A figure bounded by a figure bounded by three sides. A figure bounded by three sides is called as triangle. So so you have come to know that a figure bounded by three sides is called as triangle. So do you know that a point a point is that dot which have no length, no breadth, no height, and by using two points you find a line if it is moving in both direction to infinite. So if I will use two lines, so I can't make a figure which will be bounded. There will be requirement of at least three sides to form a triangle. So to make a triangle, we have the requirement of no, I'm sorry, not triangle. To make a bounded figure, to make a bounded figure, we have the requirement of at least three sides. So a figure bounded by three sides will be called as triangle. It will have three vertices, 1, 2, and 3, whose points can be A comma B, here P comma Q, here is the R comma S. You know that this triangle is two-dimensional figure. So it is a two-dimensional figure. That's why here you are finding two coordinates A comma B. Here x coordinate and y coordinate, x axis and y axis. Here the z is absent. So you know that three-dimensional figure of a triangle can be prism. Can be prism, and you know that a prism will look something like it. But forget about this prism. First of all, so you can say that a triangle which is two-dimensional will come in the chapter area and perimeter. Area and perimeter. And in the three-dimensional figure, you will have the volume and surface area. Volume and surface area. So, what is the difference between this two-dimensional and three-dimensional? Two-dimensional figure you can't hold by hand, whereas the three-dimensional figure you can hold by hand. So, we will not talk about this mensuration here. We shall start the geometry part, and before starting that, I want to tell to you this triangle will be the rigid structure. This triangle is the rigid structure. What is the meaning of rigid structure? You might have seen the bridges. In the bridges, you will find the triangular beams. There will be triangular beams, okay, which will be called as truss. So there will be the distribution of forces here, distribution of forces. So it will form a rigid structure, it will not move. That's why the bridges will be in this way. Whereas the two-dimensional figure, if you are using one more side and forming an quadrilateral, so in the quadrilateral, if you will move any point, suppose here is the four vertices, and obviously the points will be a comma b, here you can say c comma d, here you can say e comma f, here you can say g comma h. So it is a two-dimensional figure. So in this, if you are moving it in this circular way, so it will start oscillating this link. But here is the three link only, 1 2 3 link, and if you will move any point, the other point will not move. So it is the rigid structure, triangle is the rigid structure, and this fourth quadrilateral is the non-rigid structure. So it was the introduction to this geometry part of triangle. Now we shall talk about the types of triangle. So you can mark the heading types of triangle. And you can divide the triangle on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. On the basis of sides, you will have equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. You will check the spelling of it, and then scalene triangle. On the basis of angle, you will have acute angle triangle, then right angle triangle, and then obtuse angle triangle. So you will study about all these types of triangle by your own, and what are the area and perimeter of these three types of triangle is your homework. So you will write down the formula of all these equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle by your own. Thank you all of you. From the next video we shall start the problems of class 9th NCERT.